This video is to show how to create um, variable in Ensight. So, for example, let's say I have this pipe. Uh, so I want to look at the temperature. So when we create the Ensight file, the units are default units. So if I select the temperature, which when I create the Ensight from Fluent, this would be the variable available in Ensight initially, and you can see it's in Kelvin unit. But if you want to look at the value in degrees Celsius, so you cannot do it directly. So you have to do some tweaks in Ensight. I have already created one, which is you're seeing temp C, but I'll show you how to do that. This was not available. I created it by myself. So in order to do that, you have to go to this calculator and select this SQRT square root option, not square root, I think this is build your own function tool, and select a variable name. So I already created one temp C. Let's say this is temp 2 in 6 degrees Celsius. Expression, so what's expression? So I'll select this Kelvin unit temperature, negative, which is just conversion of Kelvin to degrees Celsius to 73.15, and select which part, where do you want to change it. Usually it's better to select everything, but I'm just showing it as a tutorial, so I'm just selecting this wall to make it faster. Usually it doesn't take long. And but again, select everything when you're creating a variable so that you can use the same variable in other walls or parts as well. So you can see temp2 underscore C is created, so it's a new variable. Now if I want to show it color by, select variable scalar, and you can see I have a new variable temp2 underscore C. Click OK, and you can see, although it's still showing Kelvin, but it has converted it to degrees Celsius. It's 85 degrees Celsius. So previously it was plus 273, whichever that value is. You want to just remove this unit to clear off the confusion. Again, write it anyway you like to display. I usually like it this way. And close, again, change the formatting and everything. That's about it for this one. Another thing, if you want to look at a specific average temperature, let's say on this wall, it's a little bit tricky to see in Ensight. It's better to do these things in Fluent, which is very easy to do. In Ensight, what you need to do is, I mean, for those, Fluent is more than sufficient to do these things. But if you want to do it in Ensight, what you need to do is, let me see, right click. I'm trying to remember. Select select the calculator, select this variable option, not the create new function, but predefined functions, and what kind of function you want to look at. It should be standard mean, I think. Forgot the name. Let's see. Yep, spam mean. So this would be spam mean weighted. So weighted mean average, mass weighted average would be equivalent to mass weighted average. You can see the function. So in here, you need to select the variable. You can just scroll down. You don't have to edit it in here. Based on what weight, let's say it's the same as this one, doesn't change much. Result type per part or per case. Let's select per part. And where do you want to see the average variable? Again, we want to look at the temperature, average temperature on this pipe, let's say. Okay, so I'm selecting the pipe, evaluate for the selected parts. Okay, undefined parameter values. Okay, sorry, yeah, variable is this one. So temperature, this is just a weightage, so you can select the same one. Shouldn't make a difference. Evaluated, and you can see constant per weight is created, this one. And if you select the variables, let me see if we can drag it a little bit. Okay, there should be values in here. So go to variables. There you go. So you can see this weighted average temperature is 85 degrees C, and you can see the temperature is 85 to 84. So pretty close to 85, at least. Some decimal points is not showing, but this is another way to just bypass that if you really want to, in urgency, look at the values inside. But again, doing this is easier in Fluent. But yeah, visualization on the wall and creating a variable, this is how you do it. Thank you.